Hi, this is my first video. I am terrified of, I'm not terrified of heights, but I'm scared. So I'm at this ginormous clock tower and it's really high. So I'm going to show you around. So this is really high. Oh my God. Oh my God. I can't believe I'm doing this. This is so scary, but I'm going quite fast. So I might just slow down. Oh, my little brother's coming. And he's not afraid at all. Hello. Let's go. That's my little brother, by the way. Where do we go? Where do we go? Where are we going this time?
Fourth. We got the fourth floor. Fourth floor has a building.
Okay, let's go to the fourth floor.
Thank you.
Do not use lifts if there's a fire, well, obviously. Ready?
Yeah, press that one. We get to the fourth.
Is this gonna work? One. Come on. And this is taking forever. Let's go.
Let's go.
It's not opening. Now it is.
Someone actually went.
Let's go to the fourth floor.
Yes. And then press close.
Fourth and close.
That is too brave, very brave, baby.
You're so brave. Well, this is going actually quite fast. This is going fast. Let's go. Whoa, Gabi. Whoa. What? So this is the clock.
That's the bell that
That's
you're
all.
using.
Whoa.
That's the bell.
That's the bell stuff and things. So
Oh, come on, follow Ate.
yeah, I'm right there. What? So this- I feel like I saw her from a TV somewhere. Whoa, that looks like a rocket for some reason. Looks like a rocket. I don't know.
Are you sharing it with your friends?
No.
You can send it to your messenger to Ivana.
Look, Daddy, look, there's people do. Whoa, they're on the third. Daddy, look. Let's go to the third floor. They're on the third floor, probably.
No. Just look at this.
Whoa. It's a YouTube video.
Okay. Video?
Whoa.
Gabi.
Yay! Yeah! Whoa.
Labi na saan ko ng dako ang malihok? Oh, mas wala banha ang dako.
Ew. Can we go to the third floor and see them? Because they're right there. Doing some bell stuff. It looks heavy.
Does it just bring at Christmas?
Yeah, Luke. It's Christmas. It's Christmas. It's 11:29. Now let's go down to third floor.
Let's go
Ooh. Level 4. Okay. Oh, they stopped. No. Are you making a YouTube video?
No, I'm gonna show it to my friends.
Oh, okay. Well, this is a YouTube video, so anyone can see this. So I feel they're just tying the stuff up. I'm not actually sure what they're doing. I think they're having a rest. Or maybe a switch. Are they switching? I'm not sure. Let's just go to my family. Oh, there it is. Whoa, this is more lower, but I want to go down there. I don't want to jump in though. That'd be terrifying. Let's go. So there's some pictures. Come on, Gab. Give me a hand. Let's go. My little brother's name is Francis Gabriel. He is 2 years old, by the way. And yeah.
Faces of Swan Bells.
Come on. Oh, faces, Swan Bells. Let's go. Wanna go? No? Okay. Why are we going around in circles? Come on. Let's go. Eh. Oh, you want to hold my hand? All right. Ow, you're pinching me. You're pinching me. Okay, let's go. Can we go to the third floor? Can we go to the third floor, Daddy? Hey, hey! No, 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 no.
You're not going there.
Yeah, okay. Okay, I'm gonna go to my uncle, my mama, my brother. There's some other people here. So yeah. Oh, come on! You just walk. Oh my god, that's terrible. So they're ringing bells and they just randomly did it. So, oh my god. Jeez, that's loud. Gosh, that's so loud. Oh my god. Let's go third floor. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Wait! I gotta take a video.
No, this is fourth floor. Can we take the stairs? Can I take the stairs, Daddy?
No, I don't want to take the stairs.
I want to take the stairs. Let's go take the stairs.
Sure, I see the elevator.
Oh, wait. Oh, there's the elevator. Let's go. And it's actually also kind of terrifying. All right, let's go in. Come on.
Sorry, I love just taking.
Let's go. Let's go.
No.
You're such a brave boy. Oh, it's actually really, that's so fast. Third floor, let's go.
Wow.
I feel like they're here some. That's a toilet. Oh god, what? Huh? These are toilets.
There.
What?
There.
I feel like this is it. I don't want to go because I don't know if I'm allowed to. So these are some paintings. I like this the most. I like this the most.
Look, can you hold this one? Look, I'll just go to the toilet.
Oh, actually, I might like. Oh no, I like this one the most. That is so cool. I want to take the stairs actually. See where that goes. Let's go to the second floor. So my videos are gonna be kind of long now. They're gonna be about different stuff, but interesting stuff like the bell and yeah. So I'm gonna go back up now. What? Look, somebody down there. Somebody down there. Ah, ouch. Okay, there's other people coming up. I want to go down, but there's some people there. We're just waiting on our dad. So, yeah. Okay, I think he's coming now.
I'm taking off.
He's here. Let's go. Let's go. Second floor.
Where's mommy? You got mommy first.
She's there. Where you going?
Which one?
Let's go. Let's go down.
Sorry, take a
We're
video.
going to McDonald's.
No, we're going to KFC, remember?
We'll pass through KFC.
To get the bucket.
Ground. Close.
Sorry, take a video. Sorry, take a video. Just put your phone right in
So-
front of it.
Gosh, that is fast for an elevator.
Satisfactory. What do you mean it's fast?
It's fast for an elevator. Well, I've never seen it. Ooh, water.
Water.
Let's go.
Let's go. Done the $25.
Jeez, that wasn't actually that. That looks like the clock tower. Messages for the future. So it's in Australia in the year 2100. That looks very interesting. So I might just take a photo. Now look, messages for the future. Let's go. Ooh, fire indicator. Looks like somebody opened that. So, Gubby, Gubby. Come on. Oh, Rafi, can you hold that? His hand. I want to see the bells again.
How about the pins?
Let's go.
How about the fun?
All right, we're gonna go somewhere else now. Usually I'm gonna make like 15 or 40, maybe 20-minute videos. So, what?
Trees like this. Look at it. So this is Love Never Dies.
Love never. What? If you can see that, it actually says love never
Oh, sorry,
dies.
this one's the other one's out.
Oh, old one out. Oh, I know this one. So yeah, you can mostly see this. Can you see that? Probably can. This is date a baby sis. 2 hearts bound. What the? What's this? Daniela Alexander, 8th of the 8th, 2015. Ooh! This is like one of those code blocks. My classmate has one of these, but red. For his bag though. Don't know why. So yeah, we're just gonna go see what happens.
So you made a how long video?
It's gonna be about like 14 or 15. Or maybe 20. It's either gonna be 14 minutes, 15 minutes, or 20 minutes. No, like 3 seconds. Let's see
how much.
where are we going this time? We're
KFC.
going now. KFC, McDonald's. What? I'm going to McDonald's, not KFC. Oh, we're Hungry Jack's. Oh no, not Hungry Jack's. Oh, and if you don't know what Perth is, it's a city in Australia. So, yeah. Oh, they're ringing the bells again. Okay.
Third floor is.
This is a very nice place for a picnic or something. Okay, it's almost 15 or. What? What? There's writing. Are you sure it's? Ow, my foot.
Yeah, Michelle something.
Yeah, these are words. So, my foot. What is up with this stuff? I took the wrong shoes because stuff like that is going in my foot. Oh, and it's really hurting me. So, Gabby, look! It's not that scary.
Now you're taking a video of this whole.
Woo! What? Yeah, I'm taking a video. Ugh. Okay, gonna go now. Let's go. Let's go. So, as soon as I get in my car, I'm probably gonna go unless we're going somewhere, because I gotta wrap up this video. And this is my first video, so please leave a like, comment down what should I do next. Please not be too crazy because my parents don't let me do that much crazy stuff, and I'm only 10. So yeah. Oh, these flowers are so. That is so pretty. Okay, so before I started the video, I went through this way. I made normal videos, and I found out they're making this ginormous building here. It's really large, from there to there. Yeah, pretty big. I think it's about like I feel like it's a hotel, because these stuff here show stuff from a hotel, and I'm actually like kind of staying in a hotel today. I mean, for this week, but I stayed here since Friday to tonight, because my little brother has this appointment thingy. Oh, 14 minutes. Okay, I better wrap up this video. So yeah, gonna wrap up. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a ginormous like, and make sure you always stay happy. Okay, bye bye.